Hi everyone, thanks for coming. So we'll get straight into it. Today we've got a Revitive. It's one of these pads that you put your feet onto, and it puts zaps or vibrations or something up into your feet, and it's supposed to help with all your circulation and stuff. This one here is doing nothing. You plug the power into the side and it gets no power whatsoever. I've checked the power supply, and we'll do that again now. Okay, we'll do a volts check. So we've got our voltage up here, 4.9. So clearly must run off of 5 volts, and it seems to be working fine. We'll just double check. Got that ring on there, not much I can do about it, I don't think. It's a bit better. So yeah, we've got the power supply. We'll just check 5 volts 1 amp. You can see that. We'll have a look here. Yeah, 5 volts 1 amp. So it's working correctly. Okay, so one thing I have noticed is that this plug is the same as fits into all your 12 volt power plugs. So I'm starting to think that somebody has plugged the wrong power pack into it and probably put 12 volts straight in, which has probably killed something. Hopefully, fingers crossed, and cross them, fingers crossed, it's just going to be a fuse inside, but we'll have a look. Alright, so for tear down, we've got these feet on the bottom. Pull the little circles off. Exposes the screws in there. So they are a Torx bit T20. Yeah. So that's our power in. So we've got 18650 battery powering it. It's charged by the board by the looks, and then we've got this board. Right. So I've looked at a couple of videos, and I've found that where it inputs here, there's a diode, supposed to be a TVS diode, and that works a lot like a fuse as far as I understand. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go straight to that, and we'll see if we can see what's going on. So that there is our little fuse that we're looking at, and we'll do a test on that. Diode mode, and check this one here. It's a straight short, so that doesn't sound right. That's a component there that does have trouble with blowing sometimes, and I suspect that if they've put 12 volts in, that could kill that component. So what we'll do is we'll grab one of those and we'll replace it and see what happens, but yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so we're back again. We've got what should be the correct component. I've got, that's the details there. So the SMA J5.0 TVS diode. All my research says that that's the correct one, even though the print on it is different. Yeah, so the original one on there is MNHK AG, and our replacements are 2322HE. So should be right. That's what they said was the right part. So we'll go ahead and we'll remove this one, put the other one back on. So taking note that we've got the stripe on this side, and we'll give it a go. Add some flux. We just better double check the fuse. That's fine, and no short this time. So we'll see how that goes. just chuck a couple of temporary screws in to hold this in place. And we'll see whether it's going to work. Power in. We've got power. We've got a charging symbol for the battery. So that looks really good. We'll let that charge for a little bit and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I thought I'll just have a look with this battery. This battery's very low because of not being connected for a while. So I charged that up earlier, but it's 18650, should be about 3.7 up to 4. And we currently, you can't see that if I don't put it on, can you? That one. So we currently 3.234, and if we plug the power in now, .55 and growing, 3.56. So battery's being charged up. It's working exactly as I would expect it should. So let that battery charge up and we'll see how that goes. Okay, well, we'll screw it back together. It's been charging for a little while. We'll screw it back together and we'll see if it's going to work. So far it looks like it is, but just never know. Right, feet first. Alright, there we go. So plug it back in. Straight away we get a charging symbol. Perfect. Now, how does this work? 30 minutes. Oh shit. Cool. Yeah, it vibrates. This is putting electric shocks into me hands. Once I put pressure down on it, there must be pressure switches, some of those other cables we had there. As soon as I put pressure down on there, this must be 30 seconds. God. Yeah. Alright, well that does put some vibrations through. Anyway, we're charging the battery, the vibrations are working, it's turning on and off. Looks like we've had a repair. All good. So, thanks for coming, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.